Hello and welcome to this Bets24 tutorial. In this video we will show you how to use the calendar in Bets24. Our cloud software offers full flexibility in managing your rental business in the calendar. You will learn how to make use of all the features in the calendar, especially how to add and manage bookings, how to change your availability, how to manage daily prices and rates, how to set overrides like blackouts or no check-in and check-out rules, and how to customize the calendar style. First, let's configure the calendar view. You can select which date period should be displayed in the calendar by clicking here and selecting a date from the calendar. You can also select the period of time. We recommend either 2 weeks or 1 month because otherwise there will be too much data being displayed in the calendar. You can always click on Today to return to today's date or use the arrows left or right to move back and forwards in the calendar. You can decide if you want to show an individual property, all of your properties, or a certain group of properties in your calendar. The groups are defined under Booking Engine, Multiple Property Booking Page, Property Settings, and then you can select your properties and add a group keyword which will group them together for the calendar. Click on Show to customize which rows should be displayed or hidden in the calendar. For example, let's hide the rows Minimum Stay, Maximum Stay and Price Multiplier. Just remove them here, save, and as you see they are now gone in the calendar. Let's put them back on, as well as cancelled bookings, which has been hidden. As you can see now, cancelled bookings appear here. These are the gray bookings, which are now displayed in the calendar. If you want to extend the calendar view, you can also click here on the left and collapse the setting bar so the calendar will show up bigger on your screen. But now let's have a closer look at the different functions. Click on the day to add a specific note only for this day. You can also do the same and put notes for properties, for rooms, or for individual units. In the calendar, it is very simple to add new bookings. You can either go to the room and select Add Booking, or click on the little suitcase icon to add a booking manually. Or you can also add a new booking by clicking Add Booking here or using the price checker on top of the page. You can see some information for your bookings if you just hover over the booking. The information displayed here can be set in the account preferences. You can also just click on the booking and the booking details will open in a separate page. Click on the little number in the inventory box to change the inventory for this room. Please note that the inventory cannot be set higher than the quantity of rooms. You can also apply this to other rooms if needed and select the date range to change the inventory for multiple dates. You can see now that the inventory has been reduced by 1. Click in the box in the line Override. Here you can select either a blackout, which will close the room so it is not available for booking, or you can set a no check-in or no check-out for this day, or both. The setting exception will apply the booking rule for the exceptional period set under Settings, Properties, Booking Rules. Let's make a blackout for a couple of days. Again, you can also apply this override rules to multiple other rooms. You can select the date range and you can also configure different weekdays for this rule. Click on the daily price box to set a daily price. Rates are always displayed at the bottom of each room type. Simply click on the rate to manage the details of the rate. If you have no price set for a room, for example at this day, the inventory field will have a light red color to highlight that you have no price set. Click in the box to add a price multiplier. A value above 100 will increase all prices in the unit or room type. A value below 100 will reduce the price. For example, a value of 110 will increase the price by 10%. A value of 80 would reduce the price by 20% for the selected period. You can increase the minimum or maximum stay for a specific period by clicking in the box. We recommend you to set the lowest value in the room setup and use rates or daily prices to set the rules. Then these values can be used here to be increased for a specific period. If you need further help, you will find the question mark besides each setting, which will open the context help with further instructions about this setting. You can also click on the question mark here to get directed directly to the help page about the calendar. The calendar offers you full flexibility to manage the daily routine of your rental business, no matter if you need to change prices, inventory, bookings or rules for specific periods. Everything can be done directly from the calendar panel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you'd like to learn more about Spets24, please check our wiki, our forum, or send a support ticket.